Want to build reliable and scalable APIs? Here are the top REST API best practices you should follow. Always use the correct HTTP methods. GET for retrieving, POST for creating, PUT for updating, and DELETE for deleting. Keep your endpoints simple and readable. Use plural nouns like users and products, not verbs. Make your API stateless. Each request must carry all the information it needs to process. Respond with proper HTTP status codes. 200 for success, 201 for created, 400 for bad request, 404 for not found, and 500 for server errors. Version your API to ensure backward compatibility, like v1/users. Validate incoming data and send clear error messages. Don't expose internal errors to users. Implement rate limiting to prevent abuse and overuse of your API. Always use HTTPS, implement authentication like OAuth 2 or JWT, and never expose sensitive data in responses. Follow these tips, and you'll build a robust REST API. Like and subscribe for more developer tips.